Shri Dhanvantaraye Namaha. Respected dignitaries on and off the dais and dear friends, myself Dr. Jahangir, and I'm going to present some data on seasonal variation in biochemical parameters in healthy volunteers. As we all aware about this sutra, that the unique concept of Kal, the individual and unavoidable factor, influence the every aspect of all living and non-living organism right from origin to end. The concept of seasons, according to Acharya Shushruta, Tasya Samvatsaratmano Bhagwan Adityo Gati Visheshena. Here, the Adityo Gati Visheshena means Dalhan comments on it that it is in the form of sunrise and sunset. Now, according to Acharya Charak, there are two Kal, Adan and Visarga Kal, and its beginning and end, while middle of both and end and beginning of Adan and Visarga Kal influences on the bal of each and every individual, and hence this principle sutra is used for this study. And we all know dosha dhatu mal moolam hi shariram. There are 3 doshas, 7 dhatus and 3 malas. Amongst 7 dhatus, the second one is blood, rakta dhatu, and it is called as a jivan or life in our Ayurveda. So it is used to show this study on biochemical parameters. Now, material methods. The present study was conducted in the Department of Basic Principles. IPGTRE, Gujarat Ayurveda University, Jamnagar, in the year of 2006 to 8. A routine health assessment was done before the study was started to select healthy volunteers. The subjects were asked to be on fasting before 10 to 12 hours before blood sample collection and do their all regular activities as they were being practiced as long. All major biochemical lab investigations were performed to see any change in their normal values in the same volunteers during different seasons with a gap of 4 months. Results: all volunteers completed the study. There was no withdrawn. The results were presented in 3 categories: Hemant and Vasant Ritus, Vasant and Varsha, and Hemant and Varsha. Statistical analysis was done by students' t-test. Now, the comparative effect of Hemant and Vasant seasons were found highly significant in total protein level, and serum creatinine level were found decreased, while comparative effect of Vasant and Varsha Ritu were highly significantly found decreased manner on fasting blood sugar, and comparative effect of Hemant and Varsha with the difference of 8 months on the same volunteers were found. Total protein, serum creatinine and fasting blood sugar were highly significant decrease were found in these. Now, coming on the discussion why these changes were found. Total protein level was statistically highly significant decreased in comparison to Hemant Vasant and Hemant Varsha seasons. Being a component of body constitution dhatu, its diminution show low anabolic activities because of impairment of Agni Bal, that is digestive power of an individual, in comparison to Hemant, Vasant and Varsha seasons. The same pattern of decreasing was also observed in serum albumin and globulin level. The serum cholesterol and triglyceride level were found statistically significant decrease in comparison to Hemant and Vasant, 4 months gap, and insignificant decrease in comparison to Vasant Varsha, while in comparison to Hemant and Varsha, it was found insignificant decreased. Both could be compared with Raktagata Sneha, that is unctuous part substance of blood. Hence, during the Vasant, due to effect of Adana Kal, predominance of hotness and roughness in atmosphere, which diminishes Snehan's watery portion of all human beings, while it was observed again decreased during Varsha because of effect of Visarga, that is predominance of coldness and moistness in the atmosphere, starts so slightly that it does not affect these parameters up to mark. The serum creatinine level was statistically highly significant decreased in comparison to Hemant, Vasant and Hemant Varsha, while insignificant decrease in comparison to Vasant, Varsha. It formed mainly by creatinine metabolism in liver and kidney, and its 98% is stored in muscle as creatine phosphate. Creatinine level gets increased in the body during muscle destruction and increased BMR. In this study, it was observed that basic metabolic rate and muscle activities were continuously found decreased because of effect of Adan Kal, which increase physical and mental debility. That's why serum creatinine level was seen in decreasing pattern. Blood urea level was statistically insignificant decrease in comparison to Hemant, Vasant and Varsha. While comparison to Hemant and Varsha, it found significant decrease. Ayurveda believes that during Varsha, due to effect of Kal, Jatragni, that is digestive power, gets diminished, and because of that Dhatvagni, tissue metabolism which depends on Jatragni, gets diminished also, which is not capable to digest food properly, which results increased Maldravya waste product, that is blood urea. Lastly, fasting blood sugar level was statistically insignificant decrease in comparison to Hemant, Vasant, while it was noted highly significant decrease in comparison to Vasant Varsha and Hemant Varsha. It is again indicative that due to decreased Agni Bal, that is digestive power, Abhyavaran Shakti, capacity of having food, as well as Jaran Shakti, capacity of digestion, are also decreased. Therefore, inadequate availability of food, decreased digestive power starts to consume the stored food in the form of glucose in blood. That could be reason of decreased fasting blood sugar level in Vasant and Varsha in comparison to Hemant. So it could be concluded that effect of season on blood biochemical parameters in blood is significantly found. Now, thank you very much. Have a nice day.